welcome to quick video for you. I will be doing a review on the Hoover TID2500 IronJet steam iron, including the main features of this and how it works. So the features of this iron includes 1600 turbo steam, long cord, ceramic plate, easy grip handle, easy fill water tank. Here is a shot of the LCD panel. So I start by unboxing the iron. This is the manual. And here is the water beaker. And now I am taking out the iron. So here is the water beaker full. Before you put the water, remove the main plug and pour carefully. On the base, there is a rubber border surrounding it, helping it to stand, ensuring that it does not slip. Here is the ceramic solar plate and has up to 77 steam holes. I have just switched it on and the LCD display has lit up, saying off. The switch is on and is filled up. On the left hand side, there is a button where you can make the temperature go higher or the fabric selection to go higher. And on the right hand side is where you can decrease the temperature or fabric selection. Here is the steam button. Here is the button to spray water from the nozzle and also the steam control knob. The different fabric selections are 1 for acrylic, 2 for nylon, 3 for silk, 4 for polyester, 5 for blend, 6 for wool, 7 for cotton, 8 for jeans, 9 for linen. So I will test the steam. It is quite powerful. And now the water spray. The iron is hot and ready to use. Now I set up the fabric selection. I am going to be ironing this jeans, so I will set it up to jeans. I have found this wrinkle, so I will use a burst of steam to get rid of it. The wrinkle is gone. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.